Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and you might know me as Cruelty Free Makeup Heaven here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. I play with cruelty free makeup foremost. I also try lenses. If that is something that interests you, then definitely subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell on the side to always get notified when I upload a new video. So yeah, without any further ado, in today's video I'm going to show you lenses I got from APRILEYE. So this brand reached out to me because I already had some lens content up and they asked me to try out their lenses and they seemed really nice and really professional. I also noticed that these are FDA approved. These are really eye safe. I mean, that is a great label to have, and they have a lot of great styles. The natural lenses will look the most natural, of course. Circle lenses will make your eyes look bigger. The fresh ones do have like cute effects. The party ones are mostly more out there as well, but not as much as the cosplay ones, and the dream ones are like very magical and dreamy. So the package came to me all the way from Korea and I believe it took around let's say almost 3 weeks, but normally it would be 2 weeks. It was just because it was the beginning of the festive season and everything takes longer than even normal packages in my own country. Normally it's gonna take around the same as, for example, TDDI lenses or the other ones that I try on my channel to arrive in Europe. I don't know how about America, but I think it's all 10 days to 2 weeks, something like that. So yeah, let me show you what's inside this box. So as you can tell, in here we have the 4 pairs of lenses in the cases. We have the lens cases themselves, which are super cute. They provided me with 3 different styles. I think they're really cute. Definitely the duck ones are really funny. And they also got me this little cute cat. I just had to put the tail on and it's, oh my god, it's so cute. It's from Naruto, I believe. That is another thing that I noticed about the brand. When you're on their Instagram or whatever, they often have kitty posts or funny little posts with cats on it. And I think that it's so adorable because I mean, I'm a cat lover, so yeah, that really spoke to my soul. And I chose a variety of colors. I got a Jade Blue one, Pearl Gray, Bali Brown, and Lisa Green. So they come in these individual packages with the same drawing as the big box. Looks really professional, packaged really professional. I like that all the details are on the packaging. These aren't year lenses, so these are for half a year. It says here maximum usage is 6 months. These come in prescription, which I think is really great because if you want to switch up your eye color but you still want to be able to see everything clearly, that's of course really nice. And it also has the FDA approved label here. So these are all 14 millimeters in diameter and it has 38% water content in a buffered isotonic saline solution. So that's what the lenses are in. Easy to open. Oh, and we even have a full-blown, how does it say that again? Instruction manual. Yes, so we have full-blown instruction manual with a lot of information. I already know a lot about lenses, so I don't need to read this right now, but everything you need to know is in here, so that's really great. So let's try on the lenses. Foremost, I'm going to put my own lens fluid in the little lens holders as always because it just it feels better in my eyes mostly, but I'm also going to try them straight out of the packaging. I just hope that my eyes aren't gonna tear up because with some brands the fluid is a little bit too harsh for my eyes. It's a normal saline solution, and this is more for, I feel for sensitive eyes. It isn't the sensitive one, but it's already way more suiting for my eyes. I am going to prepare them and then I'll see if it's needed or not. So I'm not gonna be talking during the lenses. I'm gonna just do a voiceover and share my thoughts so I can do this more quickly because I need to go somewhere soon. So this first pair is called Lisa Green. And yeah, I was very excited about these because I was searching for a good green for a while. I loved how they covered up the eyes and how there is some yellow around the pupil. It looks way more natural like this. Yeah, I was really feeling this pair. I think it's super stunning. It also follows my eyes very well when I look to one side or the other or up and down. And I think they look very natural up close as well. It just goes over my iris a little bit on the right side because that's my smaller eye. But yeah, so far this is my favorite green pair I ever had, so really like these. Next up we have Jade Blue, and these blues look very promising to me. They covered up my eyes very well, but I wasn't sure of it at first. But once I got the 2 pairs in, like, I was starting to feel it. I felt like they followed my eyes well. I just feel like it looks a little bit unnatural around my iris. But yeah, as I said, the more I had them in, the more I was feeling it, because it's like a more soft blue. It's not very out there, but it's still very visible. So you can see from closer by, you can tell that it's a little bit unnatural around my iris, as I said, and you can see it when it follows my eyes, but it still looks pretty great to me. Next are these pearl gray lenses, and as you can already tell, these are really circle lenses in the literal sense that they really give a circle around your iris. This one is pretty dark, and then you have a very big pupil hole. I really like the effect of it because it looks way softer, but it can look more unnatural depending on what style you prefer, of course. But I was really feeling these. They give like a sort of mysterious vibe and make my eyes look bigger. I had to go to my appointment at the physiotherapist, and I got some manual therapy. My pain is a little bit triggered, and my face was smushed because you have to lie down with your face in like a towel and everything, so I hope it doesn't look too bad. I think it still looks okay-ish. Just, I don't feel like my brows are looking that great anymore, but show must go on. So next I'll be trying the Bali Brown ones. So as I said, these are the Bali Brown ones, and truth be told, I thought these would look natural, but as you can tell, they don't look natural. I do think that the effect is super cool, but it took me a while to get used to them. The longer I had them in, the more I was feeling the color, because it's a super cool color. They followed my eyes well, and I didn't see the pupil hole when I looked around, so that's also a plus. And as you can tell, like, they don't really have an enlarging effect, but yeah, they're definitely very much out there, and I am looking forward to create the looks with this. So yeah, everyone, these were the 4 pairs of lenses I picked out to try from APRILEYE. Definitely let me know which one is your favorite. I'm not gonna lie, these ones are growing on me. And I gotta say, by the way, that these lens cases are hella cute. They're so cute, and I really loved the mirrors in these. Yeah, I'm surprised by this brand. They felt really good as well. I think I'm gonna get some more lenses by them in the future, because yeah, I really have a good experience with them now. I don't have a code right now, but maybe in the future, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to see more lens try on videos like this in the future, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell to always get notified of my upcoming videos. It would mean the world to me, and I also love reading your comments and replying to them. I know I have been slacking a little bit these past months, but a lot has been going on, but I'm picking it back up now, so I'm gonna go through all your comments and answer them and whatnot, show love back. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all are doing well in 2022. Well, I want to say 2020, but it's already 2022, and I hope to see you all on the flip side. Bye.